活到老學到老，活到老學到老。
It is used to encourage people to learn more throughout their lives. It is the same as the English idiom "it's never too late to learn." The literal translation of this Chinese idiom is live until old, learn until old. For example,
正所謂活到老學到老，好多老人家都學緊點用電腦㗎。正所謂活到老學到老，好多老人家都學緊點用電腦㗎。
In English, it means, just as an old saying, it's never too late to learn. There are many old people learning how to use computer. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.